Good evening, teacher. Today I'm coming to presentation for Group 4, Lesson 1. Topic: National Branding of Starbucks Coffee. Okay, let's start. There are 11 team members. 1. John Demo. 2. Kun Nika. 3. Tacheha. 4. Long. 5. Ambitious. 6. Somichia. 7. Bodaro. 8. Vijay Clinton. 9. Kang Bishop. 10. Jun Rajana. 11. Yan Yan. Project: National Branding of a Starbucks Coffee Company. The Starbucks originally opened in Seattle, Washington on March 30, 1971. By selling high quality coffee beans and equipment related, Starbucks became the local coffee bean retailer for the first 10 years in Seattle. It was founded by business partner Jerry Belvin, Jeff Singles, and Garden Walker, who first met as a student at the University of San Francisco. The first Starbucks store was located in Seattle at 2000 Western Avenue. From 1971 to 1976, the latter moved the coffee to 1912 Peach Place. During this time, the Starbucks store sold just coffee beans and not drink. In its first 2 years of operation, the Starbucks purchased green coffee beans from Peach Coffee and Tea. In 1984, the original owner of Starbucks, led by Jerry Belvin, purchased Peach Coffee. By 1986, the company was operating 6 stores in Seattle and had begun to sell espresso coffee. In 1987, the original owner sold the Starbucks chain to their former director of marketing, Howard Shaw, who rebranded his Ginoli's coffee outlets as Starbucks and began to expand the company. Also in 1987, the Starbucks opened its first location outside of Seattle in Waterfront Station in Vancouver, British Columbia, and in Chicago, Illinois. In 1989, there were 46 Starbucks stores located across the Pacific Northwest and Midwest, and the company was roasting more than 2 million pounds of coffee annually. The company headquarters is the Starbucks Center in Seattle, Washington, United States, where 3,500 people work as of January 2015. The main building in the Starbucks complex in Seattle was previously a small order distribution center until 1987. In addition to drink and food, many stores carry Starbucks officials merchandise such as mugs, tumblers, scarves, and coffee spreads. There are also several select Starbucks outlets locations that offer beer, wine, and aperture. Starbucks brand coffees, ice cream, and bottles cold coffee drink here sold at grocery store in the United States and another country. In 2010, the company began its Starbucks Reserve program for single-oriented coffee and high-end coffee shops. It's planned to open 1,000 Reserve coffee shops by the end of 2017. However, since succeeding Charles Johnson has scaled back the Reserve coffee shop to only 6 to 10 shops. Further development on Reserve coffee shop will be dependent on the success of the few already in existence. Currently, Starbucks operates 6 coffee roasteries with tasting room and 43 coffee bars as part of the program. As of February 2023, Starbucks had 36,171 locations open across 83 countries, with 61% of the locations operating in the US and China, and the rest operating elsewhere. In February 2024, the Cannes unveiled a new store design aimed at improving accessibility. The first location to use this design is the Washington, D.C. Union Market store. The company plans for all future company-owned stores to adopt a similar design. In 1999, Starbucks originally opened in Japan and Singapore. In 1999, Starbucks originally opened in China. In 2015, Starbucks originally opened in Cambodia. Starbucks in Cambodia have 33 stores. Thank you.